Hello everyone, Omar32 here. Today I've got an unboxing of my new external hard drive, the eGo, iOmega eGo portable hard drive. It's a 500 gig hard drive which has 3-year warranty, and it's USB 2.0. This has a uh, metal sides to help it if it falls. As you can see right there, it's called drop guard, and it's a red one, as you can see. Obviously, it says here iOmega and eGo. And then to go to the back. Okay, so the back has another iOmega eGo portable hard drive and a 3-year warranty written on it, and then it says here iOmega protection suit included via free download backup files to your hard drive or online, plus protect your computer from viruses and spyware. So it's basically a McAfee virus scan plus suit, as you can see right there. And on the sides here it says contents, portable hard drive, cable USB 2.0, power, and a quick start guide. It supports PC and Mac. On the other side it has some specifications, which are its USB 2.0 format NTFS. It supports PC, Microsoft Windows 2000, XP, Vista, and obviously I think it supports Windows 7 because it supports Windows Vista, so it supports Windows 7, and it supports Mac OS 10.1 and above. It says here until 10.5, but I suppose it supports Snow Leopard, which is 10.6. And there's nothing. I think on the top here it says portable hard drive, McAfee protection suit, and so it includes McAfee Virus Scan Plus, iOmega Quick Protect, Retrospect Express, and Mazy Home Online. I think that's the suit that they said in the protection suit included, which is via free download. I think that is what included in this suit. So let's open this up. So I'm gonna break the seal up on the top. So it's easy as that. Okay, so the 500 gigabyte iOmega eGo portable hard drive. So the product itself. Okay, so just a stand right here. So let's put the hard drive aside for a minute. Okay, so they include a USB cable, which is a USB Type B to USB Type A. Then they include the iOmega protection suit, where you can get it from. Okay, so as you can see right there, download free software now at iOmega.com. Okay, and here is customer support. This is portable hard drive, quick start guide. It tells you how to put the USB cable in. It says here you should put it in two USB ports, because there's two USB inputs right here. I think to get full power from it. And it includes how to format it, how to format the drive in Mac OS 10, and using the drive. And I think that's it, and they include it in right there. I think it's Chinese and Chinese simplified and Japanese, I think. But that's Japanese, I'm sure of that. That's Japanese. Okay. So product itself, the hard drive. So how do you get it out? It's getting out. So it's out. As you can see, it's pretty slim. It's not as slim as an iPhone, for example. It's a little bit thinner, a little bit thicker, as you can see right there. See, it's much bigger than an iPhone. See, that's my iPhone. It's much bigger. So as you can see, iOmega, eGo, red color with the metal sides going all around it, just like an iPhone. And here is where you put your USB cable. And on the back here it says, visit us at iOmega.com. You won't be able to see that. So I think that's it for the unboxing. Oh well, I got a carrying bag for it. It's an unpacking. I got it as a gift with the hard drive. Include some styrofoam inside. I'm gonna give away this styrofoam in my next video. Just kidding, everyone. Okay, so it is elastic a little bit. You can see, and you can put the hard drive in. Okay, and it's not for use with the hard drive when it's open. You can use it while you put it like this, because when you close the strap right here, it blocks off the USB output, sorry. So that's it for the unboxing thing. Thanks for watching, everyone. This was Omar32. Peace.